bones grinding on one another. And this, as we move them, suruh. Ludwaks. Uesti. Okay, good. Well, that's quite a sound in there. And again. Ludwaks. Wow.
So right now, guys, I'm working on his reverse curve in his neck. And so we're going to work around the problem only because we don't want to set him off and have a massive atlas reaction. Okay, so let's go here. Just let it go, Sean. There you go. Perfect. Just like that. Good. How's that?
Good.
Not too bad?
Not too bad.
No pain?
No. No.
Good, perfect. This side? And don't get me wrong, Sean, I'm going to pound the hell out of your atlas in the future.
Okay.
Yeah, but I'm going to start off easy with you, okay?
Okay, yeah. Looking forward.
Okay, so let's go here. Good, nice. A little different feeling than that little tap, tap, tap,
Yeah,
tap, tap crap.
definitely,
Yeah,
definitely.
sorry, I didn't mean to say crap. Yeah, I did. You can come the camera around, please. So, even though I didn't adjust your atlas, you're going to have a change in how you feel. Okay, and so we're going to check that out. When you get up,
just a tad forward on the chair, right there. Just a little bit more for me, and then lean back right here. Relax your shoulders back right here. Okay. All right, we're gonna get some movement in here. All right, good. Relax right here. Very good. All right, see if UFC gives me a little royalty and plugging. Relax right here. Very good. All right. How'd that feel there?
oh, great.
Great. Lay face down for me. We support our fighters. UFC, you got to get some chiropractors in there. Make sure you're getting chiropractors to get your fighters adjusted and mobile. It may lead to better results in the octagon. More sales. All right. Here we go. Relax your shoulders for me right here. Okay. So you feel how the muscles really tight down here?
Yep.
This side's not as bad, but this side we got some tightness right there. We're gonna get some good movement down here. Okay. I'm gonna feel the upper right here. Relax right there for me. Okay. Okay, that's better there. Okay. Kyle, your parents come in here too, right?
Yep, they all come.
The whole family comes. See, that's a family affair. The other day, Dr. Jill saw 12 people from one family in a day. I think the other family was 7 the same day. Good. Good. Okay, we're going to get some movement up here, okay? Relax your shoulders right here for me. Take a deep breath for me. Completely exhale. Very good. Relax right here for me. Good. Relax here. Very good. Nice. Take a deep breath. Completely exhale. Very good. Take a deep breath. Completely exhale. Lay on your side facing this way for me. We're going to go top leg bent, bottom leg straight. All right. So how many conversations did you guys have comparing your adjustments?
We've talked about it quite a bit, actually.
Look at that. We're in everybody's living room. Breathe in for me. Completely exhale. Very good. Lay facing the opposite way for me. Top leg bent, bottom leg straight. Very good. All right. I know because we talk about chiropractic in my house all day long too. Breathe in. All the way out. Very good. Lay face up for me. All right. Relax for me. Good. Relax for me. Very good. Scoot up just a tad for me. Excellent. Relax here. Very good. Very good. Very good. One more here. Excellent. Alrighty, sir. Very good. Thank you.